My friends, I can't expect from Anchor coin, but my friends, today were fails down. But in those days, all crypto market is not compatible. So therefore, I think, my friend, it is temporary fails. Don't worry, my friend. I hope after that they will pumps up and they will get a profit. So therefore, my friend, I already predicate this coin, but I am going, my friends, to predicate shortly for all of you to understand better now, my friend. And please, this is very important for all of you to understand to in upcoming time. Can this coin will pumps up and can or they were fails down, so this is very important. So let's get started a brand video, but please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and after that press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, as you can see here, in last 7 days they will pump up, but in last one day this coin will completely very badly fails down. So as you can see, my friend, this time I draw two lines, and after that you will better understand, my friend. You can see the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. So every coin will moving in this circulation, my brothers. Please try to understand. To after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So therefore, at the last point, as you can see, my friend, the arrows is moving in upward direction. So that's clear to upcoming time they will pumps up, because after this huge pump, after this huge dump, they will absolutely pumps up. So my advice, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down. I hope if you are starting holding, so absolutely the price will be increasing, they will starting pumping up. But if you are starting investing, so that's clear, my friends, so they will completely go to the moon. So why you will miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. Please, my friends, this is very good time to you will get a profit, because after the mid of month every coin will pumps up. So this time the price is very cheap, buy it and hold it. I hope at the end of month they will make you a millionaire. See you next time. Anchor coin holder, please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.